Welcome to this guide on credit freezes and how they protect you against identity theft. A credit freeze is one of the most powerful tools available to consumers for safeguarding their personal information. In this video, you'll learn exactly what a credit freeze is, why you need one, and how to set it up completely free of charge. This falls under consumer protection, an essential topic for anyone looking to secure their financial future. A credit freeze, also called a security freeze, is a service that restricts access to your credit report. When your credit is frozen, potential lenders cannot view your credit history or score. This is crucial because without access to your credit report, identity thieves cannot successfully open new accounts in your name. Even if criminals steal your personal information, they hit a wall when they try to apply for credit cards, loans, or other financial products. The freeze essentially locks down your credit file until you choose to lift it. There are 4 compelling reasons to freeze your credit. First, it prevents fraud by stopping criminals from opening fraudulent accounts using your identity. Second, it's completely free. There are no costs to freeze or unfreeze your credit reports at any time. Third, it provides strong security and is considered the most effective way to protect against identity theft. Fourth, it gives you easy control. You can lift the freeze instantly whenever you need to apply for credit legitimately. This combination of security and convenience makes credit freezes an essential tool for everyone. In the United States, there are 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each of these bureaus maintains its own credit report about you. This is important because you must freeze your credit separately at each bureau. Freezing with just 1 or 2 bureaus isn't enough, as lenders may check with any of the 3. To ensure complete protection, you need to contact all 3 bureaus individually and set up a freeze with each one. Don't worry, the process is straightforward, and we'll walk through it step by step. Before you begin the freeze process, gather the following information. You'll need your full name as it appears on official documents, your date of birth, your social security number, your current address, a valid email address, and a phone number. Having this information ready will make the process smooth and quick. Each bureau will use this information to verify your identity before processing your freeze request. It's a good idea to have a government-issued ID handy as well, in case additional verification is needed. Freezing your credit involves 4 simple steps. Step 1, visit each bureau's website or call their freeze hotline. Step 2, create an account and verify your identity by providing the information we just discussed. Step 3, submit your freeze request with all the required information. Step 4, receive a PIN or password that you'll use to manage your freeze in the future. The entire process typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes per bureau. Keep your PINs or passwords in a secure location, as you'll need them whenever you want to temporarily lift or permanently remove the freeze. Here's how to reach each bureau. For Equifax, visit equifax.com/personal/credit-report-services or call 1-800-349-9960. For Experian, go to experian.com/freeze/center.html or call 1-888-397-3742. For TransUnion, visit transunion.com/credit-freeze or call 1-888-909-8872. You can choose to complete the process online or by phone, whichever is more convenient for you. The online process is typically faster and available 24/7. It's important to understand what you can and cannot do with a frozen credit report. With a freeze in place, you can still use your existing credit cards, make loan payments, check your own credit reports, pass background checks for employment, and receive pre-approved credit offers in the mail. However, the freeze will block new credit applications, prevent opening new accounts, stop credit limit increases, block new loan approvals, and most importantly, stop identity theft attempts. The freeze only affects new credit inquiries, not your existing financial relationships. When you need to apply for credit legitimately, you have several options to temporarily unfreeze your account. You can choose a temporary lift by setting specific dates for access, after which your credit automatically refreezes. You can grant access to a specific creditor only, using your PIN to authorize just one lender to view your report. You can also do a permanent lift to remove the freeze entirely, though you can reapply it anytime. The best part is that online unfreezing takes effect immediately, so you won't experience delays when applying for credit. Most people find the temporary lift option most convenient for planned purchases. Let's recap the key points. Credit freezes provide free and effective protection against identity theft. You need to freeze your credit at all 3 bureaus for complete coverage. Keep your PINs secure in a safe place, as you'll need them to manage your freezes. Remember, you can unfreeze instantly whenever needed, so there's no downside to protecting yourself. Don't wait until you become a victim of identity theft. Take action today to secure your financial identity. The process is simple, free, and provides peace of mind. Protect your identity now and safeguard your financial future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.